beauty about print-on-demand business is the fact that you get to sell all different types of products right into your store. And if you're wondering, what are the top 5 types of products that we recommend you when you're starting out with your print-on-demand business, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, in today's topic, we're going to talk about the products that you can sell with your print-on-demand business. And if those of you that have yet understand how the print-on-demand business model works, there's a link right over here that you can actually watch on my YouTube channel to learn everything about building a print-on-demand business. Now, with that being said, the beauty about building a print-on-demand business is diversification. You literally have access into hundreds of different merchandises that you can sell with your specific graphic on them. However, when it comes to the choice of products, there are a lot. And when there is a lot, there's going to be choice overload. And when choice overload happens, guess what? You are going to be unsure on what types of product you should use to sell to your customers. And in this video, I'm going to actually share with you the top 5 products that you should start with and use it to attract new customers to your new business. But before we actually get into this, make sure you help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So with that being said, what are the top 5 products that I recommend to create a print-on-demand business? Well, product type number 1 is simply t-shirt. Every single person loves to have a t-shirt. And in fact, everyone wears a t-shirt. It is a very common product that people buy online. However, one thing that you need to understand is when it comes to print on demand, especially for t-shirt, it really boils down into the winning design. You gotta actually see if your design actually provokes the emotion of the person and make them proud of wanting to wear it. And that's super important. Now, when it comes to t-shirt, one great thing about this is that the cost of the product isn't expensive at all. Having your design on a t-shirt printed and shipped it to your customer, it will cost you anywhere from $8 to $10. But your selling ability with this product can go from $19.95 all the way to $29.95. So you will still have a healthy margin in place for you to actually generate profit with when you use it to get customers. And at the end of the day, when it comes to t-shirt, it's really a no-brainer to a lot of customers because essentially they would need to actually wear a t-shirt. Now, product type number 2 is simply mugs. Now, you'll be surprised that people actually collect mugs and they love to actually have mugs with their specific saying or belief on them to actually showcase it to their loved ones, families, and friends while they are over for dinner or simply at the office. So when it comes to mugs, the pricing, once again, is very competitive and it gives you enough margin for you to actually sell. At the end of the day, people need to drink water. People need to drink liquid. They would need either a mug or a glass. Now with a glass, obviously you can't put a design on there, but mugs can work phenomenally well. Now, product type number 3 is essentially canvas art. Now, when it comes to canvas art, it's more artsy. It's literally, I would say, intermediate compared for beginners. T-shirt and mugs are really for beginners. Canvas art are going to be for intermediate people that are really want to actually continuously to build their brand. Nowadays, a lot of people buy canvas art to put onto their wall, in their office, and also in their living room. And the most important part about canvas art is really making sure that it's artsy. And let's say when it comes to canvas art, there's not really a set price that you can sell. After all, art collection can actually be sold at a pretty absurd pricing. So it really all boils down into the design of the art that you have on the canvas art that you are going to attract premium buyers to come to your website to simply buy. Now, product type number 4 is iPhone cases. You'll be surprised how big the iPhone cases market is. In fact, not just iPhone cases, but phone cases in general. People spend a lot of money when it comes to purchasing cases. People love to always change their cases for different looks, to fit their outfit, or to protect their device at the same time. Now, when it comes to phone cases, let me tell you, again, it's all about the design. But what's most important is actually implemented what we call AOP, all over prints. So you're not just having a simple graphic on the actual case, you're essentially having it all over. So you can imagine basically the entire case is filled with arts. Those sells phenomenally well. And with cases, it doesn't restrict you to sell within just one niche. You can actually have a artsy phone cases store to sell into multiple niche, so you're not tied down into just one single niche. Now, product type number 5 is called leggings. Now, let me tell you this in advance. Leggings require more advanced, and it's not intermediate, I would say it's advanced. Because when it comes to leggings, it's once again, all over prints. Whatever you have on the legging, once again, it's going to determine the price that you sell and who you are going to attract to actually go to your store. However, leggings can crazily build a brand because a lot of women that does yoga, or nowadays, even people working at restaurants, they essentially just go buy leggings. And if your leggings have some kind of nice, fancy, artsy design on there, people would actually pay a premium for it rather than buying a Lululemon that is just all in one single color. So with that being said, again, it depends on what your knowledge is on print on demand. If you're starting out, I highly recommend you to start selling t-shirt and mugs. And if you're in the intermediate and you are a little bit artsy, start with canvas art or iPhone cases. And if you are an advanced e-com store owner, look into all over print. Now, you might be wondering, well, Fred, what about all the V-necks, hoodies, and tank tops? Well, those can do well, but you should test with t-shirt first and then diversify it into other apparels for your store. So with that, again, choose one of these types that best fit you when you're creating your print-on-demand business. Now listen, if you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.